Shubhkamna Champions Golf was not only a tournament, but also an initiative to popularize golf in the country, where it is still largely viewed as an elite sport.
The media has a lot to do with it. A lot of people, it's a fascinating sport. People that always play the game of golf, they wind up loving it. We just need to give it more exposure in India. You know, pretty much the only things that the media in India cover really well is the cricket, which is fantastic. I love it too. But I think golf is a wonderful sport, and I think it's a perfect sport for India. So the media really need to help push it and promote it.
5 to 10 years back, what we have now, we didn't have. You know, better facilities, better golf courses, more prize money, more corporate golf is coming into the country. You know, more sponsorship. So professional golf is taking a big boom in the country now.
Our emphasis has to be events like this, which make the players into stars and really projects them to the fans. We have to build a following for the star players that India has produced, because they've produced more star players in golf than probably any other sport that exists in India.
So young blood has to be attracted because of money. They will be attracted because of a handsome account balance at the end of the year in their accounts. I mean, if you have peanuts, you'll only get monkeys. If you show them almonds, you're gonna get players. It's simple.
The moment one of us go up there and make it interesting, you know, one of us go and win a tournament on the European Tour or on the PGA Tour, it's going to change. The whole perspective of this game in this country, it's going to change. And yeah, I think golf is definitely one of the fastest growing sports in India. So many new golf courses coming up, and you know, these days you see so many kids playing golf, and everybody wants to be a part of golf.
I think it's improved a lot. It's gone from strength to strength over the last 5 or 6 years. Thanks a lot to the PGTI. And hopefully, you know, I see it only growing with the Olympics, including golf. I think it's going to improve the image of the sport and probably, you know, get the government interested as well, hopefully. I mean, that's what we're all hoping for. But, you know, there's a lot of young talent coming through. Rashid, in his rookie year, almost won the Order of Merit. We got a couple of young, exciting amateurs turning pro. So, yeah, I think the future is looking good.
Well, you know, Shubhkamna Champions, I played with the sponsors today, and they are very happy and they are very positive about them to extend this tournament to the next level. And of course, the way they have invited the top world-class field this week, I think for them, sky is the limit. You never know, they might be hosting another big tournament every year, and it might be, you know, they might invite all the big superstars from Asian Tour on the European Tour.
This is just the beginning. Shubhkamna Champions is just one of the things that we do for golf. There are many other things that we have in store and we have been doing, and a lot of ambitious plans the company has for this sport. We do social events related to this sport. We organize caddy tournaments. We own a Noida team at the Louis Philippe Cup, and we are in the process of bidding for a UP team in GPL, which is going to be promoted by Shiv Kapoor. So a lot of ambitious plans the company has for golf, and we are definitely going to take this branding exercise to the next level, and it will be beneficial to us and also for the sport, promoting the sport in this country.
Day 2 was a day of some serious anticipation, as it witnessed a tense battle between the pro golfers. Each course had a fair number of sand bunkers and water hazards, which these players had to go through. While some players could make good points, some just blamed it on the weather.
Yeah, I surprised myself. I shot 5 over today, but no, I mean, this week no surprise. I haven't been practicing much. For us, this weather is, you know, totally different. So it's weather also for us. You know, it's totally changed for us.
The Sri Lankan is not that much cold, and here a little bit cold. We have to manage for that.
The day though belonged to Daniel Chopra, who ended up on the top of the leaderboard.
Yesterday, the score was fantastic. Today's score was great, but I played about the same both days. I just didn't make as many putts as yesterday.
I think it's great. It's only one of its kind. It's very nice of Shubhkamna to have a Jeev tournament, you know, and it's, you know, says it's a good brand ambassador. Jeev is for them. He's achieved a lot worldwide. You know, he's done well, and it's the only time that he had a tournament of his own. So here we are, and it's great to be part of it. I'm happy.
We're a real estate company which is lined up to make lots of greenery golf courses and a lot of our property belongs near the courses, and that's why the game associate with our company. Two, a lot of people are doing everything hoopla is after cricket, so we just don't want to get associated to be one of the brand to be in the cricket. And two, I'm seeing a lot of success coming in the last 2-3 years in the golf internationally, so we want to promote that a golfer should achieve more at international level.
The day ended with a golf clinic where Chopra and the informed Gaganjeet Bhullar gave some tips to the children. While some enthusiastic youngsters decided to put their skills to test, others were busy getting autographs from the champions.
Daniel Chopra and Gaganjeet Bhullar are telling everything about the swing, and they're also helping us young children, helping us in the swing so that we can improve and become good golfers in the future.
I learned that my swing is good. I learned that my head is too slightly right. He fixed that.
How I'm supposed to hit it, and in situations, in tough situations, how to get out of it.
I mean, just here today, I mean, we got so many children. Back when I was a kid, at a junior clinic, there was maybe 5, 6, 10 kids at the most. I mean, we would have had 150, 200 kids here today, which, you know, is incredible in such a short time.
The game, if you've seen last 2-3 years, have achieved a lot. Approximately 7-8 Indian players have achieved a lot of titles across the international, in the Europe, in US, and Asian Tour. So we see a lot more success coming over the years. So that's why we want to promote players to go and win more international titles.